I have a question, and if you answer it, I guess then I'll give my statement to you. But signing up for IA, does that give you permission to just go in and
Can you use the mic closer
Oh.
and hold the mic?
by signing up for IA, does that give you like permission to come in and work on me? No.
Signing up on inner awakening is enough a permission for you to enter into the
Oh, is that enough of permission for me to enter into you?
Yes, and if not, yeah.
Actually, in a way that is enough, but we will also consciously, I will also be asking
Okay.
you.
If not, I was going to tell you that I wanted to make the statement that I give you full, ultimate permission
Thank you.
to help me. Okay.
Thank you.
choose the family where they want to born. And you said that no. So it's always like we'll end up in casual
Listen.
family?
No, you are given the freedom to choose, but unfortunately you become unconscious
Oh.
when you make the choice, so you just get into whatever comes.
So what to do to choose the proper family?
Now you will die consciously, so you are already prepared for the death to come. That time you will walk consciously, you will not fall into unconsciousness. That is enough, you will choose as you want.
Thank you.
Please come up. Any question you have related to death and after death, I'll answer. I also commit with Kalabhairava that I will talk only the truth.
Swami,
Yes.
quick question. How long have you been doing eye awakening? How long have you been doing?
Can you? Somehow, I think it's echoing.
How long have you been doing this?
Me.
Yes.
I am 2002 I started. Now I think maybe 11 years I am doing this process. I am going to do a test tube baby by staring at it. Just the test tube with a female component will be there. The male component I will add just by staring, by look. So, I will you answer? I am waiting for all this to be over, then I will do, because otherwise it will become one more scandal. I don't want one more scandal. Basically, I want to do, if I look through the left eye, I can infuse female component, with the right eye, I can infuse male component. Already we were successful in killing the cancer cells just by looking at it. Without any medication, the cancer cells kept in the test tube, just by staring some 6-7 minutes, the whole thing is dead. Equivalent to chemotherapy. So these eyes can work as a chemotherapy and as creating a life. Yes, please go ahead.
You've said that we are going to be learning your experiences with death and
Yes. Now I am
connected-
going to put you literally into that whatever can happen to your psychology due to death will be happening to you now. So you will not be physically dying. Your heart will be functioning. Your other basic organs will be functioning. But your brain will go through a death. All of you are able to catch it? So literally there will be few seconds where, I don't want to say few seconds only, at least few seconds. It can vary from few seconds to even 20-30 minutes, where you will be unclutched from the body, where you will not remember the identity you are carrying. It's literally like a rebooting. If the computer is not working or computer is not functioning properly, how we switch it off and start again, like that rebooting. So, when you come back to body, the new biomemory can be built. From tomorrow, I'll be building new biomemories in you. You will not respond the same way to your anger. You will not respond same way to your addiction. You will not respond same way to your desire. You will not respond same way to your fear. The rebooting and rebuilding process starts.
The way you describe it sounds a lot like our dreaming, where we're, you know,
I can
totally
say,
different
you
ideas.
see, in a way it is a conscious treatment, that's all. To tell you honestly. See, your involvement is only more like a cooperation. It is more from my side. Reason, things look so simple, but when you go out, the transformation looks so huge, so overwhelming. Even the information you receive, when you share with your family and friends, they feel overwhelming. Na? How many of you received that feedback from your friends and family? It's overwhelming. Because many things which I have not said also you start speaking. How many of you, see, when you start speaking about me or my teachings, many times you answer the questions which you never heard from me. This is what. So more than listening, some other learning starts happening. You understand?
I think I do.
Yes.
Will it be accurate to say that what you're telling us is the same thing that the Hindu faith believes in? Is it?
Can you? Just a moment. Oh, you are asking what is whatever I am saying is the Hindu faith believes in. To tell you honestly, there are many things which I am saying Hindu faith is not believing. It is clearly, completely my experience. I can say the base is Hindu faith belief. There are some final touches where the scriptures don't talk about it. I am not saying they don't believe in it. They don't talk to this detail. You understand? Only the rough sketch. Now, for example, I have told you about how you move through step by step into your death. The Hindu scriptures talk about it only like a rough sketch, not to this precise depth. The precision is added by me, by my experience. But the overall map, I can say, is from Hindu tradition. Any other question?
There are a number of words that we use, at least in my culture, to describe the after-death experience. We use soul, spirit, ghost. Do all these have the same meaning, or are they different ideas?
Every word I am uttering, that is why I am giving definition. And if I have not defined, it means same as you understand in the Western culture. If it has a different meaning, I will always be defining it. Even if you see in the morning satsang, I will always ensure if there is a new meaning, I will be giving you the meaning. If I have not given the meaning, then it means same as you understand in the Western culture. Thank you. Yes, please come. You see, people come to me for two reasons. One, for intelligence. Another one, for my energy. Shakti and Buddhi. When people come for my Buddhi, I always tell them, you yourself is a bondage for you. Why do you want to bring one more life? But when they come to me only for Shakti, I have to fulfill their Anyakara. So, and moreover, whether I want it or not, I am a Hindu guru. So I have to be like Yellow Page. See, it is not that people come to me only for kid. Even if they lose their cow, they come to me. See the morning calls. I am literally a Yellow Page for them. I have to attend everything. So that is the way. Go ahead.
He is a spirit worshipper. He used to do that spirit planchette board. They call it as Ouija board. He used to talk with these spirits, with 4 persons sitting and talking with the spirits. And that is, he used to, from my childhood, he used to say that, that is, the death has to come by on its own. We shouldn't give up our life like suicide or something like that. If we do that,
you should not commit suicide, no doubt. Because if you commit suicide, you will be waiting with so much of pain for the next body till your natural time.
Oh, yeah, he said that one day of the regular human life is equal to 1 year of that spiritual life.
Yes.
You have to wait for so many years.
That is true. That is true. No doubt. It will be so painful.
So the spirits are.
No, what I am saying, the truth you said is true, no doubt. But I do not agree that way of and all that. It is very dangerous, very unscientific, and should not be done. Sometime you may get some good results. That does not mean what they are doing is right.
But we used to talk to our grandfathers. Or
I think I completely disagree with it. That should not be done. It will stop their further journey in their life.
for the past few years, they are not voluntarily coming to talk to us. That is the thing.
It will be disturbing them in their journey.
Thank you, sir.
So you should not be doing it. Any of you are doing this kind of things, please stop it. Don't do any of this.
It is good to worship them as
Only Shraddha, nothing more than that. Worship is to be done to gods. Only Shraddha should be done to them.
showing our gratitude.
That's all. Shraddha, nothing more.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Swamiji, I would like to know if ordinary people can choose the day when they want to
Can
die.
you hold the mic closer?
I would like to ask you if like normal people like me, if we can choose the day when we want to die.
Yes, you can. It is possible. When you start living with integrity, you can just choose. Yes. Come on, come up, ma.
Is it true that if you die with unfulfilled desire, you become a wandering ghost and a wandering
Yes.
spirit?
When you die with unfulfilled desire, you become the ghost which has so much of restlessness. It is true.
Is there a cure for that? Like
No, now itself fulfill everything, complete with everything. Either honor. What is desire? The word you give it to you. Either honor or complete it. Be free. Let your accounts be free. Let your accounts be complete. Any time you can pick up your bags or leave your bags and fly. Live in completion. Clear? Come on. Go ahead.
If we see a human or animal that is dying or on its way, is there anything we can do to?
I don't think you can do anything. Maybe just sit and meditate near that being and pray, let it be rest in peace. That's all. Nothing more can be done.
And
If it is somebody like your relative and all, send me the information. With the photograph, I'll try to connect and ease the person without suffering.
what is the actual purpose of death?
Purpose of death, to give you the new body, a new possibility.
Is it true that sometimes we stay with the same like soul family when we come back?
No.
No?
Usually, especially husband and wife, go to different corners, never want to see each other. No, I'm telling you. And you see, please understand, even gender, if you are male in this time, I can say, literally 99.99% people do not take birth in the same gender. If you are male now, I can be 100% sure you were female in the last birth. And if you are female now, I am 100% sure you were male in the last birth.
Can we go from human to animal in a new birth, or is it just human to human?
Usually, 90% chance humans don't go down as animal. Only when they do extraordinary crimes, they go down as animal.
Did we start as animals to get to being a human?
Yes, if you have done some extraordinary crimes, like a chain murders, that kind of a... see, in the beginning you start only as animals and grow to human. And after human birth, very rarely you go back to animal consciousness.
Nice.
Only some extraordinary crimes, not ordinary crimes. And one more thing, stealing is not considered as crime in the cosmos. Only if the other person suffers because of your stealing, it is crime. Murder is a crime and rape is a crime if the other person suffers. Stealing is a crime if the other person suffers. For example, you steal $1 million from somebody, but that guy is a billionaire. He doesn't suffer. He says, hey, it's okay, leave it. Chalo. Then it's not recorded as a crime in the cosmic law. You just steal only $1 from a fellow and he curses you, rolls on the ground and cries. Then you get the karma of equivalent to murder. Understand? The amount of suffering you cause to the other person only referred as a crime, otherwise not the action itself. The consensuous relationships, alcohol, nothing is considered as a crime. But I am not saying do all that. I am not saying do all that, but nothing is considered as a crime. Marriage has no cosmic legal sanction. Marriage is the cosmic law, marriage does not exist. It's your social law. So that when somebody has an affair, extramarital affair and all, it is not even recorded in the cosmos. And I am making it very clear, I am not encouraging or asking you to do. I am just giving you the cosmic legal opinion. So, there are many things in the cosmos not recorded at all. Only the violence is considered. Even killing a mosquito is recorded as a murder. So never kill a life. And never ever eat non-vegetarian food. Means making your food out of killing a body which can feel pain. Understand? So there is certain frequency of pain where that life can protect itself. It means animal, fish, all that. So those bodies should not be eaten. But the plants and all, they do not feel the pain where they can protect themselves. So their level of consciousness is very low. They can be consumed as food. But anything which feels the individual possibility should not be consumed as food. Do not kill them for food. Cosmos does not record stealing. Cosmos does not record the extramarital affairs. Cosmos does not record alcohol. Cosmos does not record stealing. And so many things which you created doesn't get recorded. And even if you kill for the sake, you are only going to go to hell. Cosmos does not record patriotism. Patriotism is not accepted in the cosmos. Patriotism is also organized crime. Any other doubts you guys have about this cosmic law and the country law? The contradictions between cosmic law and country law. Come on.
Sami, can I ask in Tamil?
கேளுங்கம்மா.
இப்போ எங்கள் அம்மா வந்து கேன்சரில் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகிருந்தாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிரெஸ்ட் கேன்சர் வந்தது, அப்புறம் லங் கேன்சர் வந்தது. அவங்களோட பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட் மூலிமா நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு அவங்க லைஃப்பை விடும்போது ரொம்ப சஃபர் ஆனாங்க. அந்த கான்ஷியஸை திருப்பி புல் பண்ணி விட்டாங்க அப்படின்னு நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். அப்போ வந்து எங்களெல்லாம் அவங்களால வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டாக மேரேஜ் வரைக்கும் கொண்டு போய் விட முடியல. அந்த சஃபரிங்கால தான் அவங்க
அது ஒன்றா இருக்கும். அவங்களுடைய சொந்த சுயமான ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணிக்கணும்னு நினச்ச சில ஐடென்டிட்டியாக கூட இருக்குமா. அதாவது நீங்கள்லாம் வளர்ந்து ஆளாகிறது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவங்களுக்குன்னே சில இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன்ஸ் ஆஸ்பிரேஷன்ஸ் இருந்திருக்கலாம். அதுவும் காரணமாக இருந்திருக்கலாம்.
இப்போ அவங்களோட அடுத்த லைஃப் அவங்களால எடுத்துக்க முடியாதா?
இல்லை, இந்நேரம் எடுத்துட்டு இருப்பாங்க. சஃபரிங் ஆகி உடம்ப விட்டாங்களே 3 செகண்ட்ல இன்னொரு உடம்பு எடுத்துருவாங்க.
இப்போ எல்லா டெத்துமே உடனே பர்த் வந்து
உடனடியாக பர்த் எடுத்துருவாங்க.
அப்போ அந்த ஸ்பிரிட் எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க அவங்கள வந்து
இல்லை அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சூசைடில் ஆனவங்க, அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இன்னொரு உடம்பு எடுத்திருந்தாலும் அவங்களுடைய பாதி இதை பிடிச்சி இழுக்க முடியும். அதனால தான் சொல்கிறேன், உங்கள் மாமனார் இந்த மாதிரி பேசுறது பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு. இப்போ உங்கள் மாமனார் வந்து யார்கிட்ட பேசுகிறாங்களோ அவங்க அந்த சோல் வந்து இன்னொரு உடம்புல இருக்கும். ஆனால் அந்த உடம்பை அன்கான்ஷியஸ் ஆக்கிட்டு பிடிச்சி இழுத்து இந்த பழைய மெமரிஸை வச்சு அவங்களோட ரிலேட் பண்ணுவீங்க. இது எப்படின்னாமா, இப்போ உங்களுடைய பழைய சோலை யாராவது ஒருத்தர் இப்போ கூப்பிட்டு பேசுனாங்கன்னா நீங்கள் இங்கே வந்து காரணம் இல்லாமலே அப்படியே மந்தமாயிடுவீங்க. உடம்பு இங்கே இருக்கும், ஆனால் என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு அப்படியே இருப்பீங்க பிளாங்கா. அங்கே போய் உங்களுடைய இன்னர் ஸ்பேஸ் வந்து அதை அட்டன் பண்ணி அவங்க கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டு திரும்ப வரும். வந்த அப்புறமும் இந்த உடம்புல அப்படியே மந்தமாக இருப்பீங்க, ஃபுல்லாக வாழாமல். அதுதான் உங்களுடைய இப்போ தாத்தா பாட்டிக்கு உங்கள் தாத்தா பாட்டிக்கு உங்கள் அப்பா பண்ணியிருக்கிற துரோகம். அதுதான்
சாமி. இப்போ ப்ரெக்னெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும் போது மூவ்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, ஹார்ட் பீட் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. இப்போ அதில் லைஃப் இல்லைன்னா
அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுடைய லைஃபோட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்மா. உங்களுடைய அந்த தொப்புள் கொடி இருக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதோட லைஃபோட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன். ஒரு உடம்புக்குள்ள 2 ஆத்மா வர முடியாதுமா. ஒரு ஆத்மாவே இந்த பாடுபடுத்துது. அது எப்படி இல்லை ஒரு உடம்புக்குள்ள 2 ஆத்மா வர முடியும் சொல்லுங்க, புரியுதா? அதனால அந்த குழந்தை வெளியில வருது இல்லையா, வந்து அந்த ஏர் பட்ட உடனே தான் ஆத்மா உள்ள போகுது.
ஓகே.
அதனால தான் அந்த தொப்புள் கொடி தானா வாட ஆரம்பிச்சிடும்.
இப்போ என்னுடைய பிரதரோட சஃபரிங்கான டெத், என் மதரோட சஃபரிங்கான டெத் வந்து இப்போ நான் இருக்கிற இந்த ஃபேமிலி லைஃப் வந்து என் ஹஸ்பண்டும் யாராவது சாவடிச்சிடுவாங்களோ, இல்லை என் குழந்தை செத்து போயிடுமோ, இல்லை எனக்கு ஏதாவது சிக்காய் எங்கள் அப்பா செகண்ட் மேரேஜ் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி என் ஹஸ்பண்ட் செகண்ட் மேரேஜ் பண்ணிப்பாங்களோ, இப்படியெல்லாம் ரொம்ப
இப்போ அந்த பயத்தில் இருந்தாலும் அந்த பயம் பேட்டர்னெல்லாம் வெளியில் எடுக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே.
அது ஒன்றும் பயப்படாதீங்க, இது பேட்டர்ன் தான்மா. ஆக்சுவலாக அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் நடக்க போகிறதில்ல, பேட்டர்ன் தான் அதை வெளில எடுத்துடுறேன்.